Hello there, welcome to Tereteknik. We have this Subaru Legacy Outback today. This car is especially the Outback, but same screen comes in the Legacy as well. So there are two different cars. So first of all, we have this factory head unit that we have removed from the car. As you can see, this comes from 2016 model. So this car is especially 2016, and this is the basic screen, very old school style screen inserted or installed in the car. Obviously this is the old technology, so we have installed the screen, 9-inch QLED screen in the car that comes with the all original compatibilities like the steering wheel buttons. If you can see, all the volume buttons are working. Then we have this factory camera as well that came in this car, and we have connected the factory camera as well with the Android screen, so you can see here. Then again, this is the CarPlay interface menu. First of all, this is a wireless CarPlay that we have. You can see this is the Apple navigation, but we have lots of navigations installed on my phone. So for example, we have this maps, might possible there is a Google Maps as well. So different navigations are available here. So you can see here we have the shop address at Malmvägen 18D. So the other applications, for example Spotify, the music, all are available here. We have the libraries, radios, everything works pretty much normal without any problems. So we are selling different qualities in the screen, so starts from like 2,500 crowns and goes up to 5,000. We have some special editions as well for some special requests, but here you can see this is a good screen. This one is with 2GB RAM and 32GB storage. So here we have like this is the home menu interface of the screen. We have some applications and shortcuts. For example, if we hold, we can remove the shortcuts and add the new shortcuts as well for our own taste. For example, I will shift the radio here, so radio comes up here on the first page. Here is the music player option, shows navigation, radios and other stuff. Then we have this GPS, the Google Maps, that's the screen's own Google Maps application. But to use this navigation, we have to share internet with the Wi-Fi, or we have to insert a SIM card in the glove box. We have installed two SIM card slots and one SIM card slot and two USBs. So you can insert a USB here. Then again we have mobile phone connected with CarPlay. Then we don't need the this navigations, but if you want to use, you can insert a SIM card, or you can give the internet to the screen. Then we have App Store for changing the themes and other stuff. We have aux, we have Bluetooth, some pre-installed applications. This screens come with the DSP equalizer, so you can see we have all the DSP settings available here. If you are building up a sound system in the car, so everything is available in the equalizer. This is not a normal equalizer, it's the sound processor. We have RDS on the radio, as you can see. If we tap RDS, so we have the information of the programs as well on radio. Then again, there are some other applications like music player. We have some pre-installed music files in the screen. We have some pre-installed video files. For example, here you can see you can watch video while driving, so it will not stop. So this is the quality of video, so it will always work when you will drive, so it will not pause like the newer cars. So we have a setting, you have to turn it on, the setting from the settings menu. We have this setting application here, so we have lots of different settings available, so you can adjust from your screen. Then the screens follows up the headlight function as well. So as I have turned on my headlights, so you can see it has went to the night mode, and here it was showing this lights on the buttons of the screen. You can turn on the volume, back button, home button, and this is mute button. So all these you can program as well. You can change their color as well according to your own taste. So that's the screen for today. If you have any questions, queries, so you can ask me in the description below. I will provide the contact information, so you can contact me via WhatsApp or with the email. So it's up to you. So that's the video for today. See you next time, another car. Bye bye.